So here's how to add categories menu on Wix. But before we start, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Wix for free. So from the Wix dashboard, go ahead and click on Site and Mobile App on the left. After that, click on Design Site on the top right corner. Now from the Wix website editor, go ahead and click on the plus icon from the left side menu. Then from the options, select Block. After that, choose Category menu from the options, and this is how it will look like. Click on it to add it to your web page. As you can see, you can drag it around to position it according to your preference. This way, you can put the category menu wherever that you like. Then click on Settings. Here, you can customize it further. Click on Manage Categories. You will then be taken to this Categories page. Over here, click on Create Category on the top right corner. Over here, in the Category Name section, set a name for your category. Then, you can put in a short description. You can also click on Category Image to add an image for your category. After that, you can explore different images if you go over to the Explore section on the left side. You can choose any image from here, or you can also upload your own image. And once it's done, just click on Save on the top right corner. And as you can see, your new category has been created. And if you go over to your web page, you will be able to see it added and functional. And that is exactly how to add categories menu on Wix.